Hey kids, I'm Miss Melon, and today we are going to count some cute farm animals together. Kids, do you know how to count from 1 to 10? Let's count from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, kids! We counted 10 ducks. Now let's count the other animals together. Look here, kids. We have a cow. This is one big cow. Say it with me, kids. One cow. How many cows? One cow. Look here, kids. We have 2 fishes. Let's count them. 1, 2. How many fishes do we have? We have 2 fishes. These are horses. And how many horses do we have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 horses. 3 horses. Look here, kids. We have some sheep. Now let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sheep do we have? We have 4 sheep. Look here, kids. How many donkeys do we have? Let's count the donkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 donkeys. Great job, little kids. We have 5 donkeys. Look at these happy ducks. Now let's count these ducks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kids, we have 6 ducks. How many ducks do we have, kids? We have 6 ducks. Kids, we have some goats here. Let's count the goats together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kids, we have 7 goats with us. How many goats do we have? We have 7 goats. Kids, we have so many chickens pecking grains. Now let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many chickens do we have? We have 8 chickens on the farm. Look here, kids. We have so many llamas. Let's count the llamas together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 llamas with us. How many llamas? 9 llamas. Look at these fluffy rabbits. How many rabbits? Let's count them. Count with me, kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 rabbits. How many rabbits, kids? We have 10 rabbits. Hey kids, do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can learn with me every single day. Hello little kids, welcome back to Melon Rhymes. Today I'm going to teach you all about the 4 seasons. Let's get it, kids. The first season is spring. In spring, flowers bloom, bees buzz, and butterflies fly. We can go outside and play in the fresh air. Can you say spring? Say it louder. Spring. Great job. Next is summer. In summer, the sun is hot and we eat ice cream. We also go swimming. Summer is really fun. Can you say summer? Say it again. Summer. Good job. Then comes autumn. In autumn, the leaves fall from the trees and they turn red, yellow, and orange. In autumn, we wear cozy clothes and sometimes go pumpkin picking. Can you say autumn? Say it louder. Autumn. And last is winter. In winter, it's really cold, so we wear warm jackets. We also drink hot chocolate and sometimes we play in the snow. Can you say winter? Say it louder. Winter. Great job! Well kids, winter is my favorite season. Great job little kids! We learned all about our 4 seasons. Let's say them all together. Spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Great job! See you next time on Melon Rhymes. Hello! Welcome back to Melon Rhymes. Today, I'm going to teach you about opposites. Opposites are words that are different from each other. Let's do it! This is a ball. The ball is big and this ball is small. A big ball and a small ball. Now we have an elephant. The elephant is big and the ant is small. Big and small. Let me show you. Look at this elephant. Wow, it's so big. But this ant, it's so small. This rabbit is fast. But this turtle is slow. Fast and slow. Just like that, this car is fast, but this bicycle goes slow. Let me show you. Look at this car, it's zooming by. But this bicycle is riding slow. Fast and slow. This fire is really hot. If you touch it, you're gonna burn your hand. But this ice is really cold. Hot and cold. Just like that, this little kid is hot because it's summer. And this little girl is cold because she is in winter. Let me show you, kids. Look, the sun is shining so hot in the summer. And the snow is falling in the winter. It's hot and cold. Kids, the kite flies up in the sky. The kite is up. But the duck waddles on the ground. The kite is up and the duck is down. Up and down. Just like that, look at this plane. The plane is flying high. But this train is on the ground. Let me show you. Look. The airplane is flying in the sky because it's up. And this train is chugging on the ground because it's down, up and down. This kid is so happy. Are you happy like him? Yes, this kid is happy. But look at this girl. She's so sad. It's happy and sad. Just like that, look here. It's smiling. But this one is sad. Happy and sad. Great job, little kids. You learned so many opposites today. You're so smart. Don't forget to come back and learn more with Miss Melon. See you next time on Melon Rhymes. Hello there, little kids. Welcome back to Melon Rhymes. Today, I'm going to take you on an adventure to meet amazing ocean animals. The first animal that we have is a fish. A cute little fish. Can you say fish? Say it louder, kids. It's a fish. A fish can be really tiny. Look at these 8 arms of an octopus. This animal is an octopus. Say it again, kids. An octopus. Look at those huge 8 arms. An octopus has 8 arms. Wow, here comes a shark. Can you say shark? Say it with me. Shark. The shark is big and swims super fast. It's a shark. And sharks are really dangerous. Look who's swimming really slowly. It's a sea turtle. A sea turtle. Can you say it again? Sea turtle. Great job. Sea turtles love to glide in the water. Do you like sea turtles? They're so cute. Here comes a crab. It's a crab. Repeat it after me, kids. It's a crab. The crab walks sideways with its little claws. Look, a starfish. Kids, this is a starfish. Shining at the bottom is a starfish. Say it with me, kids. A starfish. It's just like a star, but it's actually in the ocean. The starfish have 5 arms, just like the star in the sky. Isn't that cute? Do you like starfish? I love starfish. Great job, little friends! Today, we learned the names of 6 ocean animals. I'm so proud of you. See you next time on Melon Rhymes. Hello there, little friends. I'm Miss Melon, and today I'm going to take you on a farm adventure where we're going to meet all our farm animals together. Hey kids, who's this big animal? Let's listen. It's a cow. Can you say cow? It's a cow. And friends, cow gives us milk. It's a cow, my friends. Let's say it together. It's a cow. What's that sound? Listen carefully. It's a chicken. Kids, this is a chicken. And the chicken gives us eggs. Can you say chicken? It's a chicken. Here comes a fluffy sheep. Kids, let's practice together. This is a sheep. Sheep. And the sheep gives us soft wool to make cozy clothes. Yes, kids, the clothes we wear are from the wool from the sheep. It's a sheep. And here comes the horse. It's a horse, kids. Can you say horse? Horse. And horses help us carry things, and they also run pretty fast. It's a horse. Oh, look here, kids. I see a cute little duck in the pond. It's a duck. Say it with me, kids. Duck. Ducks love to swim and quack all day. And kids, we can eat ducks. Yes, you can roast a duck and have it in dinner. It's a duck. Now who's this tiny little thing drinking the milk? It's a goat. Say it with me, kids. Goat. And kids, goats also give us milk. It's a goat, little kids. Isn't it cute? It's a goat. Hey kids, do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can learn with me every single day.